Hey there, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to change your profile photo on Snapchat. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open Snapchat on your device and log in. After that, tap on your bit emoji or snap code icon in the top left corner to open your profile. So here we are. Snapchat doesn't allow you to directly upload a photo from your gallery as your profile picture. But I'm gonna show you 3 ways alternative for this. You can change your bit emoji. Tap on your bit emoji and edit to update your look. You can also change the snap code. Go to your snap code, tap change selfie and choose photo you want. And additionally, the best alternative for this is you can post a photo to your story. It will appear to your friends, but this is a limited way to show your photo as it will only be visible temporarily. So just save your changes. After making changes, this will immediately reflect on your profile. And that's it. While Snapchat doesn't allow you to set a gallery photo directly as your profile picture, you can still personalize your profile with a bit emoji, custom snap code, or story. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and take care.